Sure that the United States will be the crypto capital of the planet
Are you looking for a long-term crypto investment? Have you ever been interested in investing in cryptocurrency? Ever wanted to know how to invest in the stock market? If you answered yes to any of these, then this video is for you. A financial revolution is happening right now. Traditional Wall Street indices and cryptocurrency startups are merging, offering everyday investors a new way to grow their wealth. And it's not just investors who are taking notice. Powerful figures like Donald Trump and Elon Musk are signaling that blockchain and crypto could be the future of finance. Donald Trump wants to make America the crypto capital of the world by creating the foundation for crypto Wall Street. All future market products will be based on it, from retirement accounts to money market accounts and hedge funds. Meanwhile, Elon Musk aims to put the treasury on the blockchain. These indexes by Czerka Labs could be the next Google, Apple, and Nvidia combined in the coming years. The stock market and cryptocurrency worlds are converging, creating unprecedented opportunities for investors. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, understanding this new landscape can help you make informed decisions and potentially increase your wealth. Let's break it down. The stock market is a marketplace where companies sell shares of ownership to investors. Indices like the S&P 500 track the performance of top companies, while Wall Street analysts predict trends. But here's the game changer. Cryptocurrencies like Ethereum and Bitcoin have introduced a decentralized version of this system, allowing global participation, instant transactions, and 24/7 trading. Think of crypto as the next evolution of Wall Street, a fully digital, decentralized financial ecosystem. Startups in this space are creating innovative investment opportunities that blend the security of traditional finance with the agility of blockchain technology. Cryptocurrency, stocks, and treasury bonds are now being traded and added to the blockchain, creating an unprecedented opportunity to invest in the next evolution of the stock market. Introducing Czerka Lab Indexes, your gateway to navigating the complex world of cryptocurrency investments with ease and precision. Our indexes are designed to simplify your investment journey and provide a comprehensive view of the evolving crypto economy. First, we have the Meme Token Index. This index tracks the performance of popular meme tokens, capturing the spirit and volatility of the internet's favorite cryptocurrencies. Next, we present the Retail and Industrial Index. Think of it as the cryptocurrency version of the Dow Jones and S&P 500. This index tracks tokens related to shopping and industrial sectors, offering a balanced view of these essential industries. Our Tech Index is the crypto counterpart to the NASDAQ. It includes any company listed on the NASDAQ or involved in tech-related activities such as data storage or music on the blockchain. Finally, we have the Blockchain Technology Index. This index tracks all native blockchain currencies like Bitcoin, as well as blockchain protocol tokens, giving you a comprehensive overview of the underlying technology driving the crypto revolution. In total, we plan to offer 12 broader indexes to provide a more precise view of the crypto economy. Additionally, we're introducing a strategic cryptocurrency reserve to back our company, and a crypto index sandbox to help new investors make informed decisions in early startups. We're also excited to launch the Crypto Index as a product service. This will allow hedge funds and companies like Warren Buffett's to create hybrid crypto and stock indexes or individual indexes to showcase their portfolios. This innovative service will provide unprecedented marketing opportunities and exposure for these companies. With Czerka Lab Indexes, you can confidently navigate the rapidly evolving world of cryptocurrency investments. Imagine this: the global financial market is an $80 trillion opportunity. Cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology are poised to capture a significant share of this massive market, transforming the way we think about finance and investment. The potential is truly staggering. Introducing the Czerka Labs Darkside Membership Token, an opportunity like no other in crypto or the stock market. Buying our token allows you to vote and create proposals for our indexes. Want to remove Dogecoin? You can. Add Bitcoin? You can do that too. This is a community-driven global product. Token holders will receive rewards in the form of airdrops for their participation. Each token is only 1 penny. Participate in the pre-sale for a 200% bonus. Imagine paying off student loans, getting that dream home, or going on a dream vacation. Our goal is to get President Trump's attention. Once he announces our company, your investment could go nuclear. This is Donald Trump's .com moment. It can happen with your support. When comparing market caps, Bitcoin and Ethereum stand tall alongside giants like Amazon, Nvidia, Microsoft, and Alphabet. This comparison highlights the immense potential of the blockchain market, which is projected to grow exponentially in the coming years. So, you're thinking about getting started with crypto? Well, first it's essential to educate yourself. Begin by researching different cryptocurrencies and understanding the technology behind them. Next, choose a reliable exchange to buy your first crypto. Remember to secure your investments with a hardware wallet whenever possible. If not, use a separate wallet in which you own the keys such as MyEther Wallet, Coinbase Wallet, Trust, or MetaMask. If you don't own your keys, you don't own your crypto. Never leave crypto on an open exchange. And finally, stay updated with market trends and news to make informed decisions. With the right approach, you can navigate the exciting world of cryptocurrency with confidence. So how can you get started? It's simple. You will need an Ethereum wallet such as MetaMask or Trust Wallet. You can participate using your credit or debit card. We are working with a company called EVA Codes. They will be developing our platform. We have already got the project started, and all agreement documents and invoices are public, though redacted. We will show the continued process as we go through various steps to launch this project. The estimated development time is 4 to 5 months, with a modified MVP coming sooner to get the project started. All documents can be viewed on the project documents section of the homepage. With just a few clicks, you're not just investing in a single cryptocurrency. You're positioning yourself in a time-tested financial structure, adapted for the digital age. And because this index is decentralized, it has the potential to serve investors worldwide beyond the limits of any one economy. This isn't just another crypto asset, it's a fundamental pillar of the future global financial system. Jeff Bezos, the visionary founder of Amazon, has revolutionized the way we shop and live. His relentless pursuit of innovation and customer satisfaction has set new standards in the business world. From humble beginnings in a garage to building a global empire, Bezos' journey is a testament to the power of perseverance and bold thinking. His story inspires entrepreneurs and dreamers alike to push boundaries and redefine what's possible. As Bezos once said, "Work hard, have fun, make history." Let his words and actions motivate you to achieve greatness in your own endeavors. Even Warren Buffett, who once dismissed crypto, now acknowledges its transformative potential. Meanwhile, billionaires and hedge funds are making their moves. Because they know that 5 years from now, investors will be looking back, wishing they had acted sooner. Historically, early adopters of transformative technology have seen the highest returns. And while we still recommend traditional tech giants like Amazon and Nvidia, the real opportunity lies in the infrastructure behind crypto. Don't wait until the next crypto boom is already here. Start your journey today and position yourself for massive growth. Act now, as token bonuses are only available during pre-sale. Ensure you get the biggest benefit by believing in our vision early. This is a community-driven global product. Even more exciting, token holders will receive rewards in the form of airdrops from time to time for their participation. Each token will be only 1 penny. But don't wait. Those that participate in the pre-sale will be given a 200% bonus. Imagine finally paying off student loan debt, getting that dream home or car. Maybe you always wanted to go on that dream vacation, start your kids' college fund, and much more. Our goal is to get President Trump's attention. Once that happens, Trump will announce our company, making your investment go nuclear and giving our project international attention. With a similar supply to Trump coin, a simple $50 investment could be worth over $250,000, considering Trump coin is currently around $20 a coin. This can lead to the dot-com effect. The dot-com effect is one of the economic drivers that gave Clinton his budget surplus. This is Donald Trump's dot-com moment. It can happen with your support. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community.
We will make America strong again. We will make America proud again. We will make America safe again. And we will make America great again.